Hi, I'm back with my pocket constitution and a reminder about your rights. So, since it's day 5, we're going to read Amendment 5. Amendment 5 has come up quite a few times recently. Amendment 5. No person shall be held to answer for a capital or otherwise infamous crime unless on a presentment or indictment of a grand jury, except in cases arising in the land or naval forces or in the militia, when in actual service in time of war or public danger. Nor shall any person be subject for the same offense to be twice put in jeopardy of life or limb, nor shall be compelled in any criminal case to be a witness against himself, nor be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. Not shall private property be taken for public use without just compensation. One thing that's mentioned is you have a right to remain silent. You are not compelled to say anything to law enforcement or to a jury. This also covers double jeopardy, so you cannot be charged with the same crime if you've already been acquitted or convicted of the offense. You also can't be punished twice for the same thing. For serious federal crimes, a grand jury has to issue an indictment. Private property can't be taken by the government without just compensation, things like eminent domain. You have to be justly compensated. And the last piece of this, and the piece that's come up a lot, is due process. What is due process exactly? Due process requires just and fair treatment of everyone, regardless of immigration status. So, citizen, non citizen, here legally, here illegally. It doesn't matter. It all applies the same way. Due process includes being able to defend your rights in court. So, this is one that's come up a lot, and people don't think that due process applies to immigrants or people who've arrived in the country illegally, but it does. The Constitution says otherwise. So, that's the basics of Amendment 5. It's a pretty important one. I will come back tomorrow and give you Amendment 6. But just a reminder, know your rights.